Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Will. In this video, I want to show you guys how you can troubleshoot a issue that a lot of students are getting when trying to use Realstatistics. Essentially, when you download Realstatistics and try to get it set up in Excel as an add-in, some students are encountering an issue that basically says that Excel doesn't trust the location that Realstatistics is coming from. So the way that we resolve this issue, if you guys are encountering it, is if you go up to File, and then down to Options, over here to the Trust Center, and now Trust Center Settings, and then you want to migrate over into Trusted Locations. Essentially, Excel doesn't trust the location that Realstatistics is saved in, right? So, like say for example, it's saved in your documents. That might not necessarily be a trusted location to Excel. So a way to get around that is we can add this location. Take for example the documents folder to the trusted locations so that Excel is able to run Realstatistics for us. So to do that, we add a new location, then we select Browse, and just for example, we could have it saved in Documents, so let's add that as a saved location, and then we just hit OK. And now it's been added as a saved location, as a trusted location. So if we hit OK, and then OK again, it's now added as a trusted location, and that should resolve the issues that you're encountering. If this does not resolve the issue that you're encountering and you cannot get Realstatistics up, other students have had luck closing and reopening Excel and trying the process again, or downloading a new copy of Realstatistics from the website. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.